Did you know that the Voyager spacecraft, launched in the late 1970s, still sends back new and surprising discoveries from the far reaches of our solar system? Its latest finding has stunned NASA scientists, who are concerned about its implications for our understanding of the universe. What could this discovery be? How will it affect our current understanding of space and the cosmos? The Voyager spacecraft never fails to amaze scientists with its incredible findings, and its latest discovery is no exception. In fact, it has issued a dire warning that NASA believes will have a profound impact on our understanding of the universe. This latest revelation has left researchers stunned, and there is a growing sense of excitement and anticipation as they begin to unravel the implications of this groundbreaking announcement. The Voyager's latest findings are truly mind-blowing and have the potential to change our perception of the cosmos forever. The Voyager 2 spacecraft, part of NASA's Voyager program, is embarking on a hazardous and ambiguous journey through outer space, accompanied by its companion, Voyager 1. These spacecraft have already ventured beyond the solar system's boundaries and have entered the interstellar medium, placing them roughly 14.6 billion miles away from Earth. Such a vast distance leaves room for error and uncertainty in their mission. Recently, when NASA tried to communicate with Voyager 2, something unexpected happened. Was this a possible attempt at extraterrestrial communication? And if so, what could it mean for humanity's future? For more than 46 years, the Voyager missions have been critical to the advancement of space exploration, providing some of the earliest and most significant insights into our solar system. What began as a chance discovery by Michael Minovich, who realized that a spacecraft could hitch a ride on the velocity of a planet to catapult even further out into space, led to the launch of two probes in the summer of 1977, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Originally planned for only 5 years, both spacecraft are still collecting crucial scientific data from the farthest reaches of our galaxy. Their initial mission was to study Jupiter and Saturn, which they accomplished successfully before Voyager 2 went on to become the first spacecraft to study Uranus and Neptune up close in 1986 and 1989, respectively. This incredible journey was known as the Voyager Grand Tour. The two probes then embarked on a new mission to explore distant regions of space, and in 2013, Voyager 1 reached interstellar space, passing the line that separates our solar system from the space between stars. Voyager 2 followed in 2018, making it the only other spacecraft to have studied interstellar space to date. These missions have provided researchers with a wealth of data about the interactions between the Sun's continuous stream of charged particles and the interstellar medium, furthering our understanding of the cosmos. NASA's Voyager spacecrafts have revealed new and valuable information about the Heliosphere, a protective barrier surrounding our solar system, which is generated by the solar wind and is constantly changing due to interstellar conditions. The Voyager missions have provided insights into the differences in cosmic ray intensity within and outside the heliosphere, with cosmic rays found to be roughly 3 times more intense outside the heliopause. To gain a better understanding of the heliosphere and its interactions with interstellar space, scientists have combined data collected by the Voyager spacecrafts with information from other missions. In a recent discovery, Voyager 1 captured a humming sound, which was attributed to waves detected in minute amounts of gas found in the nearly empty interstellar space. These findings have contributed to our knowledge of the dynamic and complex nature of the heliosphere and its role in protecting our solar system from harmful cosmic radiation. Over the last 40 years, the Voyager missions have provided crucial information on the Sun and its impact on the solar system. Experts are perplexed by the spacecraft's ability to operate in temperatures much lower than those they were designed for. While investigating the heliosphere, the boundary that separates our solar system from interstellar space, researchers discovered unexpected ripples and obtuse angles that indicate a dynamic boundary that is continually changing. To better understand the heliosphere and its interaction with interstellar space, scientists have combined data from the Voyager spacecraft and the Interstellar Boundary Explorer satellite. The resulting models predict future changes to the heliopause, but recent observations have produced data that is inconsistent with earlier conclusions. Scientists are continuing to study the heliosphere in hopes of uncovering more information with the help of NASA's interstellar mapping efforts. These discrepancies in data have led scientists to continue studying heliopause to better understand its behavior and predict future changes. NASA's Interstellar Mapping and Acceleration Probe, IMAP, is set to launch in 2024 and will provide further insights into the interstellar medium and the heliopause. Last year in the month of May, an unexpected event occurred on Voyager. The Attitude and Articulation Control System, AACS, on Voyager 1, which is responsible for maintaining the spacecraft's high-gain antenna pointed toward Earth, started transmitting gibberish data instead of providing its usual updates on the health and status of the spacecraft. This bizarre behavior puzzled NASA scientists and engineers who were closely monitoring the mission. Despite the confusion caused by the AACS malfunction, the radio signal from Voyager 1 remained strong, indicating that the antenna was still correctly pointed toward Earth. The science systems on board Voyager 1 continued to collect and transmit data to NASA as usual. However, the fault prevention mechanism, which is designed to put the spacecraft into safe mode if there is any problem, did not activate as expected. So the NASA engineers had to manually intervene and instruct the AACS to send its data via the proper computer. Upon investigation, the reason for the AACS malfunction was discovered to be a faulty computer that had stopped working long ago. It was transmitting the telemetry data, which caused all the outgoing data to be corrupted. The engineers were able to fix the issue by directing the AACS to use the correct computer for transmitting its data. However, the root cause of the issue is still unknown, and NASA suspects that it may have been caused by a bad command from another onboard computer. Despite the AACS malfunction, there is no cause for alarm as the spacecraft is still in good condition. Voyager 1 has been drifting in interstellar space for the last decade, and its magnetic field has been protecting it from cosmic rays and other interstellar radiation. However, over time, the computer chips on board Voyager 1 can accumulate memory errors caused by high-energy particles, which could eventually cause significant problems for the mission. Therefore, it is crucial to identify and fix the root cause of the issue to prevent similar incidents in the future. The Voyager team is no stranger to such riddles, and they are determined to uncover the root cause of this AACS malfunction. Susan Dodd, the project manager for Voyager 1 and 2, stated that such riddles are expected at this point in the Voyager mission. The team's expertise and experience will undoubtedly come in handy in solving this issue and ensuring the continued success of the Voyager mission. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Voyager missions is the inclusion of the Golden Record. This record was packed with a plethora of information about Earth, including music, nature sounds, messages, photos, and more. It was created by a team of scientists and artists, including Carl Sagan and Frank Drake, with the intention of creating a self-portrait of humanity that could be discovered by any potential extraterrestrial life. The Golden Record is truly a remarkable artifact. It serves as a snapshot of human culture and technology at a particular moment in time, and as a message to any potential discoverers about our existence and aspirations. It includes images of families, houses, and technological advancements, as well as music by Bach and Chuck Berry. The record also includes instructions on how to play it in the hopes that any advanced spacefaring civilization that discovers it will be able to access its contents. However, the chances of the Voyager records actually being discovered by extraterrestrial life are quite slim. The Voyager spacecrafts are moving at a speed of around 10 kilometers per second, which means that it would take around 500,000 years to travel from one star to another. Additionally, the records are not directed toward any particular star and are more likely to continue to travel across space inaudibly for all time. Do you want to know more about our universe? Why don't you like and subscribe so you can gain access to more content like this? 1. Nevertheless, the Voyager missions remain one of the most remarkable accomplishments of the 20th century. They represent human ingenuity, curiosity, and our desire to explore the unknown. Even if the Voyager records are never discovered, they serve as a reminder of our existence for any potential discoverers in the future. As private space companies continue to grow and people inadvertently broadcast their existence to the cosmos via radio, TV, and radar signals, who knows what other messages may wind up entering orbit. Perhaps one day, our distant descendants will reflect on the Voyager missions as one of the most remarkable things our species accomplished in the 20th century. That's it for this video. Feel free to explore our previous videos to get your mind blown. Until next time, goodbye.